Hello and welcome to Olavi's sauna. Today I speak English for a certain reason. 2 weeks ago I visited my dentist. After a half an hour I said thank you and walked to the receptionist. She said 147 Swedish kronor, please. It is 16 American dollars for fixing a tooth. I said, there must be a mistake. You must have placed the dot on a wrong place. I am like that. She said, no. When you are over 67 years, you pay only 10%. Okay, I said, but don't let that be a habit. I was joking. I am like that. So, as a certain president says, look at Sweden. And as Bruce Springsteen says, we take care of our own. Bye bye.